Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on POCO X6. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Now you have to click here to enable Hey Google and then click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next and then click back and click back again and then click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.